Today I wanted to cover a use case for using reports. It came up that someone was wondering about which users had deleted files, and it turns out that you can use our reports to generate a report of or an audit of things that have changed. Now if you go into the reports section under the cluster manager, you can choose action, but when you look under here you don't see the file change actions. Well, that's because you're under the scope, and the cluster admin is more concerned about adding managers, removing managers, things like that, storage space usage and stuff. So what we need to do is go back to our dashboard, and then we go to the tenant level, and then under there we choose reports, and you see that you have these tabbed options for various reporting features here. And then we go to file change logging, because what we're interested in is changes to files. Then you can set a time frame, so I'm going to set last year, so the last 365 days. Then I'm going to go for action, and in the third option I'm going to choose delete file, because I want to know who has deleted files. And when I do a search here, then I get a list of the users, the action, delete file, and you can expand these columns, the relative file name, so you can see what file was deleted, the absolute file name, you got any notes, the client that was used, the time that this occurred, and local time by the web server. Now that's a short list. Let's see if we can get a longer one. We'll go to update file. We'll do a search on that. Okay, so we have a lot of options here for information we can look at. It's maybe cumbersome to do here, so I'm going to download as a CSV file, and I'm going to open that. So that will use Excel, and in Excel we could see that we've got a lot of columns here, so I'm going to expand those so I can get a little better look at what's going on. So at this point you have a lot of information that you can use to figure out what's going on, who's doing what, and what actions have taken place. And of course in Excel, I don't want to turn this into an Excel tutorial, but it's pretty easy to sort by user or by folder. So if I wanted to sort by user, I would just click that column, I go to data, and then sort. Now it's going to expand that, and I want to use the column A as my sort, and then hit OK. And now you can see that alphabetically it's sorted that by column A, so I could see who did what. So I hope that was helpful. It's just a short tutorial to show you how reports can give you access to the information you need with regard to file or updates or changes. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.